Yeah, you're right.
Okay. So how are you, brother?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I am also good. So we are meeting first time. So couldn't introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and currently I'm pursuing BTech, Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. And I like to listen to the music and playing cricket. That is it.
Okay. So in my term, my name is Chotu Kumar. Basically, I'm from Bihar, but currently live in Rajasthan for study purpose. To talk about my academic qualification, so I have done bachelor degree in computer application, and now I am pursuing master degree in computer application. That's all.
Computer application.
So do you know about the MCA very well? Right.
Sorry?
So in which stream for BTech?
Computer Science and Engineering.
Okay. So do you know about the C language and Java like that?
Yeah,
So in which
actually.
semester? In which semester do you have?
Basically, I have knowledge about various languages like C, C++, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js, Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. Yeah,
Okay. So in which semester do you?
I'm in last year of my graduation. I'm in seventh semester.
Okay. So in the last semester.
Yeah.
So so are you in home or in the hostel?
Actually, I came hostel today. I came from hostel today itself. Yeah.
Okay. So please tell me how you are going your BTech degree.
Yeah. So far, so good. Yeah.
Okay. So you are from computer science. I'm also a computer science student, so I know and everything, the C language, and you can say the Java, Python, and now I'm searching a job as a web developer because I am, you can say that I am completed my HTML system JavaScript, and now I'm switching on the backend develop.
Second. Yeah. So, have you made any projects?
Yes, I have made maybe 3 and 4 minutes. That's like a clone of the Spotify website, and now I'm making you can say that the real-time project.
Okay.
So do you complete any project?
Actually, something. Yeah, you were saying something. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm saying that do you complete your any project?
Yeah, I've made a lot of projects, but for final year, I am deciding like to what. Actually, I am confused to like what project should I made for my final year. But apart from that, I have made a lot of projects, like small projects, mini project you
Okay,
can say.
so where is your college?
It is in Ghaziabad.
It is UP.
Yeah.
Okay.
So actually, it is
Mhm.
Skype app is very slow. I think it lags very much. Uh,
Like, I don't know.
have you felt the same? Like it is very slow when you tap anything and it works very slowly.
I don't know whether because I am also using last maybe 1 year. So you use mobile in the mobile phone, right?
Yeah, basically whenever I'm in hostel, then I use my laptop, but I'm in my Blaze, so you can see that in Blaze it is not possible to keep like laptop and just sit in front of laptop. So yeah, I'm using
Okay.
right now mobile phone. Yeah.
Okay. I'm in the hostel. That's why I'm using the laptop.
So you also live in a hostel.
Yes, I'm in the hostel.
Yeah, so sometimes it happens when you're talking to someone and you are in meeting, then someone knock the door and he can enter. I mean,
Exactly.
yeah, people started disturbing you. Yeah, it happens me with a lot. I think.
Yeah, I have also disturbed sometimes. My friends come and disturb me. Yeah, open the door, open the door.
Yeah, happens. I face this a lot of.
So please tell me your hostel journey. How is the
Actually,
hostel?
yeah, in you can say in first year I didn't went. I mean, I didn't go to the hostel. Basically, I stayed with my brother who
Uh,
pursued MCA basically. So he used to do job at that time, and in the same place where I live. I mean, where my
Okay.
college is. So near my college, my brother used to stay there, and I started staying with him itself in my first year.
Okay.
So in second year, he shifted from like Ghaziabad to I think Bangalore. So then I had to shift to the hostel. So I didn't have any option apart from the hostel because I don't know how to make rotis, chapati. And although I don't know like kitchen things, I don't know. So that's why I had to move to the hostel, and I started my hostel journey in second year from second year. Yeah.
Okay. So which language are you learn right now?
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm saying which language do you have more command?
Basically, in React.js, I'm working on React.js.
Okay, you can say.
Uh, you can say JavaScript a little bit, and I'm not. Basically, my exams were going on, and exam ended 2 days back.
Mhm. Okay. So I'm also preparing for my first semester examination.
Okay, so, yeah, great. So basically, in coding, you need to be what I can say, consistent. So if you
Exactly.
just don't do even 2 days, then you started forgetting the things, and the same
Yes.
happened with me because yeah, my exams were going on, and I started I didn't continue my coding journey, and yeah, I stopped doing coding. So yeah, now I have to resume my this coding journey also.
Okay. So did you any places did you apply the application job application?
Yeah, right now basically the placement drives are coming in my college, so that's why yeah I keep trying on various applications like LinkedIn and Naukri.com. So
Mhm.
yeah, from there I get
So
the
do you
call, but
have
not sorry.
do you have a skill then you can apply anywhere?
I didn't listen you. Can you please
Yeah,
repeat?
I'm saying, do you have any skill? Then you apply anywhere in the LinkedIn, in the Novi.com, and the Indeed.
No. Basically, I got the various phone calls from so many companies, but they call. I got the call from the companies in which I didn't even like. I don't want to go there. They call from other post basically.
I'm saying, what is your dream?
Dream,
Yes.
but for right now, my dream is to become a software engineer. For right now, I mean for short term,
Mhm.
and I don't want a job, so that is it for right now. But in future, I will think
Okay.
of it.
Okay. So software developer, which type of software developer? As a application developer, as a front-end developer, as a web developer, which type of developer?
Basically, I'm preparing for both the developers. I mean, full stack developer. I'm preparing for.
Okay, full stack. Great.
Uh,
I'm also preparing for the full stack developer.
okay, great.
The same happens. Someone will try to call, then someone will enter my name like that. Hey bro,
Uh,
what's up? How are you?
Nothing. Just having conversation, bro.
Okay, what are you doing now?
Right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm just having conversation.
In your life, I'm asking about your life, education, job.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Wait. VTech.
Okay, that's from where?
Ghaziabad.
Ghaziabad, UP. Okay, I'm not. I will not disturb you guys. हमारा तुम लोग वीडियो यूट्यूब पे डाल देते। Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Do you have any question? Otherwise, I end the session because someone is on my room, then to disturb me.
Okay, you can do your work. Basically. Okay. We
Okay.
can talk
We,
any other day.
sure, sure.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.